I'm bunking, I'm bouncing, I'm bouncing.
Bam!
Bam!
That is the 40th time! How many times have you
I got this.
3, 2, 1, go. Bam!
Bam! Now this is the 40th time I told you! Uh-oh.
Alright guys, anyway, today we're gonna be doing some memes. How is it actively getting darker and darker? Anyway, memes.
I'm having issues with...
Shut up.
My bad.
You'll go back in the basement.
Dang it! Look at
Anyway.
these cheeks.
Let's get on with the video.
That's like my cheeks.
Ah,
I'm Albert Epstein.
what?
Yeah, I'm Albert Epstein.
Okay.
So hard if you make the soda can with the frying pan. Like if you cook this,
Okay.
you get free V-Bucks.
Okay.
Come, what? Just listen. No.
You know, I'll just stay out here, okay?
Okay. Ah! Oh, hold up.
What the heck? Man, I'm gonna just go back home.
Why'd you kill me?
I don't know,
I
man.
always come back.
What the heck? Oh,
I think my rockets failed.
I survived. What?
This is Rocket
What
League.
the-
I got it.
Everybody, welcome Leo.
Yeah! Let's go.
To do our news
Yeah,
today.
do I look handsome?
Yeah. They said yes.
Okay, guys. The good news is that the Earth is wealthy right now.
Awesome.
And then the bad news is